another tutorial video about AGGrid integration in React. In the previous tutorial we have checked about how to integrate, how to read data from the API endpoint and display it in the AGGrid. Now today in the previous chapter we have checked about the sorting from the server side, then we checked about the pagination. These things are all working based on the server side, like I will show you on the network request going when changing the page number or sorting it. Okay, you can view the requests are going when we are changing the pages. Okay, also the when we changing the sort, it is also sending the request. You can see it here. When I am sorting based on first name, it is sending sort ascending follow ID first name. We sorted last name, it would send on the sort ascending follow ID last name. So we have learned about how to sort and paginate from the server side rows. Okay, today we are going to check about the filtering. Currently the filtering is not working. It is just dummy data here. Today we are going to add filtering to it. So currently the code looks like this. In the front end, this is calling the get server side data source, and the request is calling here localhost 3001 persons new one. That request is going here persons new one, and then we are printing this data. It is a get request. It is displaying all data from the persons table. So currently we are sending the request. This params.request consists of the filtering, sorting, etc. request. Currently this is the server side code. It is in Node.js, and currently this is the endpoint. We are printing the request.body. So we are passing body as params.request. So we can see it in the server when there is a request. We can see the request here. It is in a start row, end row, the sort model ascending last name. Okay, now we are going to try the filter. Now the filter model is empty, so I will make a request and check what the filter model looks like. Like here I am going to filter for the name Henry, H-E-N. Now the filtering is not working. Anyway, it is making a request here. Okay, you can see the request here. The filter model is created. First name, filter type text, type contains, filter Henry. It is coming in the server like filter model, first name, filter type text. Okay, so currently we are going to create a some code for some SQL for fetching the data based on this filter. Okay, so now the server side code is here. Here is the order by SQL and limit SQL is already created. Limit SQL, order by SQL. If you are first time watching this video, you can check the previous tutorials about it. I will explain it there, or you can check it here too. Okay, now we are going to create a where SQL function that will be added here. Okay, so function where SQL Okay, now you can add this VRSQL here. VRSQL of plus. Also you can copy this here too. Okay, now we are going to get the sizes, get the filter model here. I'm just copying this code. No, I'm just copying this code. Filter model. You can see that filter model is coming here. Okay, filter model. Then it has field first name, filter type. Okay. Now if there is no filter model, we have to return empty. So if filter model is not there, it will look like this. So we can check if there is any keys in the filter model. If there is no keys, we can return null. Okay, so for it I am adding the code. If object dot keys of filter model dot length equal to 0, then return. Okay, then otherwise we have to create a VRSQL. So I am first creating an array constant where causes equal to we are going to add there is many conditions is coming, like Henry contains like first name contains Henry, last name contains ID contains this, and so on. So we have to add each where clause in this array. Okay, so I have created that array. Then a filter model, then object dot case of filter model dot for each we are fetching each item and field. Filter equal to filter model of field. Okay, then so we get a filter model of field. Currently the field is first name. Value of field is first name. Also filter model of first name, that will return this filter. So filter model of first name is this one. Okay, so filter dot, now we are checking the condition. If filter dot, then filter dot type, type equal to contains. Filter dot type tripling equal to contains. So the filter dot type is contains. We are going to create a condition. So we are adding it in the where clauses. Right. Where clauses dot push. Now backticks then field is first name, field first name like, then we need the like, correct? First name like single quotes percentage, then the field name, don row filter dot filter dot filter. So it is Henry filter dot filter filter. Then again the percentage sign single quotes. Okay. So the where condition. So we have put the condition in the where clauses array. Now currently I am adding only one conditions. Then just returning it, return matrix where where clauses dot join. We are joining it with and condition. Okay. So the basic filtering code is completed. So currently there is one item pushed to the array, and so there is we may use the where clause directly here, or we may not use the where clauses array. But when we are adding other condition like the filter type double equal to equal, then we need this condition. I will show it next. Only we can check if it is working or not. Okay, just refreshing the page. Oh, there is an error. Just check what it is. Internal server error. This and undefined doesn't exist. Let me check what it is. Not sure what's the errors. I need to check filter model. I'm just commenting this. Just return. This I want the errors. Oh yeah, I think it is a syntax error. There's some issue with this function where SQL request filter model request model z.finish filter model let us restart this server. Maybe that is maybe my table sample depend on the persons undefined as index. Oh, currently it is returning where SQL as undefined. That's the issue. Just returning. Okay. Sorry. Let me check. Sorry, I think I found the problem. Here we need to return a single force, otherwise it is okay. Now just check what is this. Okay, now it is working. Now we are uncommenting this one. Check this thing is working. Okay, just trying to search for Henry. It is giving an error. I'm not sure what the error is. Let me check. Selects are from persons. There is a space needed here. Persons where. Okay, just correcting it. Okay, maybe here also I am adding a space for future. Okay, now currently it is working well. You can see that the rows is coming. Only one row is coming. The SQL created is select star from persons where first name like Henry, limit 20, offset. It is returning only one row, one set of. You can see that I have added the where SQL in both places. The query it is for counting the results. Okay. Now you have learned how to filter. We can add another filter condition like else if filter drop type. We can add another condition like there is contains. It is all conditions we can add there with the else if. Like now I am going to add the equals. Okay, so filter type is equal to equals equals then where clauses copying this field, changing it to field equal to there is no percentage sign needed. Okay, now we can check what going to happen. Now we are going to first check sex equal to sex equals male. Okay, you can see that now only displaying the male conditions. Now like in this condition we are going to add the like condition. Here we are going to start contains h or he. You can just check if it is written in the okay, just h. Now you can see that first name contains h in it. Okay, all of them are h and it is displaying all male. So now the query is like select a star from persons where sex equal to male and first name like h. Okay, now the age field is integer field, so there is difference like equals does not equal greater than or equal to. Okay, all other fields are text fields, and this field is integer field. So just checking is equals going to work for this, equals 20. Okay, it is also working fine. So today we have learned about how the where SQL is creating. Okay, and the front end we are not going to change anything, like it is already sending the request body is sending, and you can see it here. Okay, currently there is one more thing I need to mention, like there is contains and there is another condition, contains and or contains or begins with f. Okay, I'm going to apply this. Contains as begins with f and begins with f. It is currently not working well because the structure is changed. Filter model, you can see that first name, filter type, text operator, and conditions equal to array. Now this condition is changed. First name we have to add another checking there, like early it's looked like this, filter type text type equals or that one. Currently it is changed to filter type text. There is an operator field, and there is a conditions array. We have to check these conditions what it is, and then only then we need to change the SQL, change the filter conditions here. I think you can make it correct or correct. Okay, now I think you get a basic idea of this. That's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.